What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be looking at how to chain selectors. So when writing CSS rules, it's possible to require an HTML element to have two or more CSS selectors at the same time. So this can be done by combining multiple selectors, which refers to as chaining. So for instance, if there was a special class for H1 elements, the CSS would look like this. It would look at the H1 dot special. And then the code above would select only the H1 elements with the class of special. So if a paragraph element had a class of special, the rule in the example would not style that paragraph. And we can take a look at an example here, or do some practice with this one. So let's use chaining to select only the H2 elements with destinations and add a style to them. So in style.css, write a CSS selector. So we'll do for the H2, and then do dot destination. And then in the declaration, we'll put the font family of Tahoma right there. All right. And then this will change the font of all of the H2 elements that also have the class of destination. Yep, like that. And you'll see that more destinations will essentially remain unchanged. So you can see the font difference from here to here. So since that's not, destination, that wouldn't really change on there. So that's how we essentially do that one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.